Hello kids, welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today we are going to learn about an exciting math concept called division. Are you ready? Let's go. First, what is division? Division is when we break a number into equal parts or share something fairly. For example, if you have some oranges and you want to share them equally, division can help. The symbol of division is. Here's the question. We have 12 oranges and we need to divide them into groups of 3. Let's solve it step by step. Step 1. First, look at all the oranges. There are 12 oranges in total. We want to break them into smaller groups with 3 oranges in each group. Step 2. Let's divide the oranges into groups. Here we go. 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, and finally 4 groups of 3. 3 now. We have 4 equal groups of 3 oranges each. Step 3. Now let's write the division equation. We started with 12 oranges, divided them into groups of 3, and got 4 groups. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. This means there are 4 groups of 3 oranges. Let's recap what we learned. Division helps us split things equally. We divided 12 oranges into groups of 3. The answer is 4 groups. That's how we use division for fair sharing. Great job, kids! Now you know how to use division to solve real-world problems. Try practicing with other objects at home. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun math lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.